Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of that one messy drawer? You know the one I'm talking about, the junk drawer, the craft drawer, the one where everything just gets lost in a jumble. Well, today I've got a game-changing hack for you that's cheap, easy, and super effective. We're going to transform that chaos into beautifully organized bliss using something you'd never expect: PVC pipes. That's right, the same stuff used for plumbing is about to become your new best friend in home organization. It's a fantastic way to upcycle and create custom storage that fits your exact needs. First things first, you'll need a piece of PVC pipe. I'm using a 3-inch diameter pipe, which is perfect for holding things like pens, paintbrushes, cables, and other craft supplies. You can find these at any hardware store, and they are incredibly affordable. Now for the fun part. Grab your drawer and measure its internal height. You want your pipe sections to be just a little shorter than the drawer's height so it can close easily. I'm marking my pipe at 2.5 inches. Safety first, of course. Put on your safety glasses before you start cutting. I'm using a simple handsaw, but a miter box will help you get those perfectly straight, clean cuts. Just take your time and saw through your marks. Keep going until you have enough pieces to fill your drawer. It's surprisingly satisfying. Once all your pieces are cut, you might notice some rough edges. We want a nice, clean finish, so take a piece of sandpaper and just give the edges a quick smooth down. This step only takes a minute, but it makes the final result look so much more professional. Now, if you want to get creative, you could even spray paint the pipes to match your decor. But I personally love the clean, minimalist look of the white. Alright, the moment of truth. Take your empty, clean drawer and start arranging the PVC pipe sections inside. This is like a fun puzzle. You can pack them in tightly to create a honeycomb-like structure. The pressure from being packed together will hold them all firmly in place, no glue needed. See how they create these perfect little individual cubbies? It's genius. Now let's fill it up. I'm putting my pens in one, scissors in another, washi tape, glue sticks, USB drives. Everything has its own designated spot. Look at that. Nothing is rolling around. Nothing is buried. You can see everything at a single glance. It's so much easier to find what you need, and honestly, it just looks amazing. From a chaotic mess to a super organized, functional space in just a few simple steps. So there you have it, a brilliant and budget-friendly way to conquer drawer clutter using PVC pipes. I hope this inspires you to tackle your own junk drawer. If you enjoyed this DIY hack, please give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more creative home organization ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.